Good morning, Medicine Hat. It is Michelle from Murray Chevrolet Cadillac. Today I want to show you my certified pre-owned 2016 Cadillac SRX in silver. It's a 3.6 liter V6 all-wheel drive 6-speed automatic. Has a very large trunk. It's got the cargo shades that you can cover up all your belongings, and the rack adjustable. Move on to the back here. Beautiful tan leather seats. Has the armrest with the cup holders. Keyless entry, so you just have to have your fob in your hand and you can lock and unlock the doors. Power door locks, power windows. And I'm just going to show you inside here. We have heated seats, navigation, backup camera, cruise control, a moonroof, this thing is in amazing shape. With just over 75,000 kilometers, you can take this home today for $23,835. Just come on in and ask for Michelle and we'll go for a test drive. Thank you.